Hello children, welcome to Graphing Inequalities. My name is Mr. Starkweather. Today I'm going to take this inequality and put it in slope-intercept form. We want to have the end in mind, so we want to have it as y with some relation to mx plus b, so I know the slope and the intercept. Let's begin. I start by flipping the entire inequality by putting the y values on the left side and the other values on the right. When I do this, I must remember to flip my sign. This is super important. Now, all I have to do is isolate my y variable. I do this by dividing 6 from each and every term. This will leave me with just one y being greater than or equal to my slope now of 2/3 times x plus my intercept of 3. And I am a genius. Now it is time to graph our inequality. We will start with our intercept at 3 and put a point. Congratulations. We now must check our slope, which is 2/3. We go up 2 and right 3. Do it again. Up 2, right 3. Hey, why not do it again? This is fun. Oh, I ran out of graph. Maybe I can go the other way. Down 2, left 3. Oh look, that also works. They fall in line. Wow, this is exciting. I haven't had this much fun since I was in Algebra 1. Now I must make my line. Remember, what was my inequality? Oh, it was greater than or equal to. That means it should be solid. Use a straight edge as I am showing you here. Now I must look at shading. Again, it was greater than or equal to. Above should be above the line. That would be the top for those trying to keep up. Way to shade. It's as amazing as my hair. Voila.
Hey everybody, I'm back. It's Mr. Starkweather with more graphing inequalities. Here we got another inequality. Again, with the end in mind, make it a y in relation to some mx plus b. Hold on, I got something in my throat. Alright. I'm going to subtract these 4 x's to move them to the right side of my equation. This will give me 2y is greater than negative 4x plus 10. Oh my goodness, I made a mistake. That never happens ever in my life. I need to make that a negative 2y. No, now I can divide. All is good in the world. And again, every term gets divided by 2. This is going to leave me with just one y. Oh, but my sign's going to flippity-flop, because when you divide by a negative, you must change the sign. Make sure you divide correctly to get 2 of these x's and a negative 5. Now I have my inequality. My slope and my intercept will allow me to graph this.
Hey, now it's time to graph our amazing inequality. First, the intercept is at negative 5, so go down. The slope is 2, which means 2 over 1. Up 2, right 1. Up 2, right 1. Up 2, right, alright, this is boring. Alright, really? Come on. Oh, yeah, shortcut. Oh, down 2, left 1. Now I must make my line. I must think, less than. I must need a dashed or dotted line. There's really no difference, but just make little dots or dashes to connect these points. Do not make them a solid line, that would be wrong. And then I wonder, should I be above or below? It's less, so I probably go under and make wavy squiggles, and there you're done, and voila.